Hi everybody, this is Kim with the Art Shop, and I just wanted to today show you a new thing I got. This is a 1/4 of an inch thick, and it is MDF board, and I am going to make this adorable stencil on it. That is a chicken, and it's got farmer's market on it. It's pretty cute. So here we go. I'm going to do this all white. Okay, I got it all white. I have got scotch tape on my stencil, and now I'm going to attempt to see how this works with black and red. I was thinking black, red, and white. So we'll see how this goes. So here I go. It's just Mars Black is what I'm using, and this nice red from Craft Smart. So literally says just red, and the other this is Mars Black. So here we go. This up. The stencil is so cute. I hope it looks good on here. I thought it might, so we'll see. All right. I don't use stencils very often either, so we'll see how this works for me. So here we go. Okay, here we go. I have done the chicken. As you can see, I just did black and red with some white. And get off the masking tape, and let's see what it looks like. It may not look very good. I don't know. Let's see. I haven't used this stencil. Oh, okay. So I like it. I don't know if everybody else does, but I feel like that stencil is super cute. And I'll be happy to do a paint party for you guys, or I will also do the other side and I will decorate it too, and see what I can come up with the other side. I might do a painted prayer or painted inspiration. So, okay, keep your eyes open for the next video and what I do for the other side, and this to make a great paint party. Thanks, guys.